Can you not put your hands in your pocket? I know that it's normal for you. It was a warrant, a felony warrant for burglary.
Insert city. State event, welfare check transitioning to felony warrant execution.
Thanks. How are you?
What's going on?
So my aunt asked me if his friend could stay for a couple of days. They didn't know where to go. I said that he could stay on the couch. You know, that's fine for a couple of days. The last 2 days, he's been having like assault, whatever. I found his ID. He's 32. I had no idea. He's talking to himself. He has the music like this loud since yesterday. It's nature sounds.
Where is he right now?
He's
Is he in the living room?
Yeah.
Does he know that you called?
No. I didn't know how to handle the situation. I asked him yesterday because he was out here, he's screaming and crying, neighbors coming out. I pulled him inside. This is the first, I kind of heard, I thought it was hearing stuff. I thought he was talking in his sleep maybe or on the phone. Every time I come out, I thought it was somebody else that was in the house, and it wasn't. So I just let it alone until yesterday when that incident happened out here. I asked him to come inside. I'm like, listen, you can't do that. I can't get kicked out of my apartment. What's going on? And he didn't really tell me anything. Right after that, I noticed he's running in and out. I asked my son this before I knew he was 32. That's what I'm like, hey, listen, go see what's going on with your friend, or he's got to leave. And it's just going on. He's in and out of my back porch, screaming, crying. He's laughing out of nowhere. He's talking to himself. I don't.
But when you speak to him, he's coherent enough to
He calms down. He completely stops, and he'll try to talk, but it doesn't really make sense. If that makes sense.
And his name is Javon.
Javon, yeah. And my son's in his room. I just try to wake him up to go to school. So I mean, you guys can handle this. I'll drive him to school afterwards. But
Hey, Javon, can we speak to you outside? Can we speak to you outside? We kind of just want to check on your welfare, make sure everything's good with you today. Thank you. I'll let you walk. Do you have anything that you want to take with you?
How's it going?
Okay. Okay. So, what's your last name?
My last name?
Yeah.
do you have ID on you?
Do you drive?
I'm just wondering why y'all came to the door, not on this door.
So there's a few concerns, I guess, that you've displayed while you've been here, and they want us to come check on you and check on your welfare, make sure you're mentally good and mentally sound. Have you gone to the hospital for any mental health issues or anything before? Are you on any medication of any sort? Have you been diagnosed with anything? Okay. Is this coming out of left field for you?
Yeah, because I'm actually good.
What's your date of birth?
My date of birth?
And you have no ID on you? Nothing to prove you are who you say you are?
I got an ID.
Can I see it?
Jose, you put the remote to turn the TV down. There's a mic in the cushions. Yeah.
It's not in there? Did you have it before? Okay. That's fine. That's fine. So yeah, that's basically it. They called us because I guess you've been doing things or saying things that's a little bit of concern for them, and they just want to make sure that you're okay. So I had asked you, this is coming out of left field for you. Have you ever been told this before? Yes. You've been told this before?
I didn't hear that.
I said, have you been told this before by anybody? Like you're talking to yourself, you're displaying just actions that are a little bit questionable. Nothing's wrong with it, but it just caused a little bit of raising of the eyebrow.
Oh, basically. No. Like I was just because I had something on my mind and I just spoke out loud about it.
Okay.
You know? And I probably did sound a little agitated, but I don't, talk to myself.
So where is home for you? Because I know you're just temporarily staying here for a little bit, but do you have a home to go back to, or are you just currently right now in between places?
In between places?
Yeah.
Okay. And there's nothing wrong with that. Where do you stay normally, I guess, is my question. If not here, where do you normally? Okay.
Because right now I am homeless.
Can you do me a favor, just really quick? Can you not put your hands in your pocket? I know that it's normal for you.
Yeah.
It's one of my things. Sorry.
All right, you got it.
So yeah, normally on the street or whatnot. Okay, that's completely fine. How long have you been staying here with them?
Probably like a week.
And who was it that invited you here? Was it mom or was it son?
Oh, they both did.
Okay. How do you know?
I'm sorry.
It's natural. We know it's natural.
That's what I'm saying. It's to me natural for you.
Because I don't like the cold. My hands be
I got you. My question was the son. How do you know the son? Her son.
Her son?
Yeah.
Actually, we was at a park. I was sitting at the bench
Uh-huh.
and like we was talking. We
Okay.
heard of like the situation. We got friends that like talk to each other.
Yeah.
And so we kind of like linked up like that. He talked to him. He was like, "Hey man, can you help him out?" And I was like, I ain't even asked him how old he was because he looked older.
Okay.
He looked older than me, kind of, but like, he
Okay.
kind of looked the same age actually. But like,
So y'all didn't really know each other, but y'all struck up good conversation, and that's essentially how he was like, "Hey, you could come stay on the couch." That's essentially how it all happened. All right, makes sense, I guess. Did anything of that?
Is it kind of, now that you know his age, do you think it's kind of odd?
I didn't
son
know
is-
he was. She said it
Yeah.
because I don't really like. I didn't. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Okay. I just thought it may have been kind of odd.
because like he just asked me like, you got somewhere to stay. Actually, somebody else that was older than him told him like, yeah, somebody else that's older than him told him that my situation. You know, we
Okay.
all walked over here,
Okay.
and he asked his mom if I could stay in here. She
Okay.
said, yeah.
So that's also a little bit concerning just because of the age difference.
I got you.
You're
Thank you.
32, right?
32.
So it's a little bit of a weird age difference or whatnot. If he didn't tell you that, that's another story right there, okay?
His ID is confirmed.
Okay, all right. So, Javon, go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me. So you do have a warrant out for your arrest, okay?
561 in custody.
Everyone in custody, 904.
Oh, should I grab something?
Yeah, we'll make sure that you
That
got
bag
everything.
Of, your cards and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get it for you.
Well, I gotta
got
show
it.
you where it's at.
I saw where you put it down at.
No, it's not just that. It's like
Well, I'll talk with
My
her.
phone.
Okay, where's that at? And I'll make
Actually-
sure that you get everything that's yours. She probably knows what's all yours, so I'll just have her help me get it. So you got a phone in there, you got your bag that had your identification and stuff in there, correct?
Yeah.
And what else am I missing? Nothing?
Nothing.
Okay.
All right, let's come over here. I'll just get a quick pat down and then we'll get to the car. Get you situated. No, yeah, please put your food on there. Appreciate you.
Ma'am? Do you know his belongings? He's in custody. He has a warrant for his arrest.
Oh my god, thank you. I'm sorry, I hate to say it like that, but
No, you're fine. So this is all his, right?
this is all his.
I need to make sure that we don't have anything that he can't go to jail with.
Put this vape in the house.
He doesn't live here. It'll go in the trash.
Okay, well,
Yeah, just put it in here. I'll have her throw it away.
Where's the baby?
Right there. Okay, hold on. I have to go through all of
Okay,
his
I'm
stuff.
sorry.
Oh, you're fine. You're fine.
I have really bad anxiety, and this whole situation just. What is his warrant for?
The burglary.
Okay.
Yeah, he's 32.
Oh yeah, he's older than me. I was pretty.
He said that he didn't know that you're so mean until you told him that.
That's.
Because he said they look about the same age.
all right, we'll get him in the car.
You got
I
it,
got
so
it. I got this. You got a car for me? I'm pulling up.
Hard.
A car.
No, I'll get my car.
She's gonna pull up her car. That way we don't have to walk all the way over there.
Oh, you weren't talking to me.
No, I was talking to her. Come here. Nothing else hidden on you anywhere? I just want you to catch another charge.
Oh, no.
No, you're good. Okay. You want him on this side?
Yeah.
All right. Watch yourself. I'm gonna put this seatbelt on you.
This analysis focuses strictly on the legal doctrines, constitutional thresholds, and tactical jurisprudence applied during this encounter. The initial interaction is governed by the community caretaking doctrine, established by the Supreme Court in KDV Dombrowski, 1973. This Fourth Amendment exception permits officers to engage citizens without reasonable suspicion of criminal activity. The legal threshold requires the officer's actions to be primarily focused on public safety or welfare assistance. During this phase, The officer has a Kansas subject to remove his hands pockets. Legally, this is anchored in Terry v. Ohio, 1968. The courts consistently rule that the government's interest in officer safety outweighs the de minimis intrusion on the individual's liberty. Concealed hands represent an immediate threat zone. Restricting hand movement is a lawful, proactive safety measure.
Yep, no problem. Glad we could get him out of your hair. You need to have a conversation with your son, maybe.
That's why, like, we spoke last night, and I had a conversation. Yesterday, and I realized he
I'm gonna look at this in the car because I'm afraid I'm gonna touch something and I can't. Yeah, all the rest of that is trash.
Okay.
You can't have no vape. Oh, not that.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Do you need anything else from me?
No. Do you want him trespassed from the property?
That'd be great.
Okay. Perfect.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. Hey, she also wants him trespassed from the house.
What was it, a warrant, right?
It was a warrant, a felony warrant for burglary.
Oh, wow. You need help searching all that?
No, I already packed and searched it prior to. So this is already done. I just need to search this. I wasn't going to go digging without gloves. Yeah, you're welcome.
You guys good? You want me to hang out or no?
I'm good. You good? Well, there's a sergeant right there. So we have a couple of cards here that does not belong to Mr. Javon. Did he have a prior last name? Because I have a Javon. Okay.
It's a bunch of different names, last names he had, but was listed. Yeah.
Okay. I just want to double check. So these can go. Tell him all of his vapes were thrown in the trash because he can't take them. Yeah. His birth certificate and everything is in there. I guess is on his dad's name, I guess. I'm not for sure.
Did you tell her that he had a warrant and everything? Just so.
No, but I told her when I went in there that he did.
Okay.
So she is very well
I was
aware.
about to say, 'cause-
Yeah.
and her son.
And I said,
her son is here?
we need you need to have a conversation with your son. She says, we had a conversation last night, and I said, oh, by the way, he has a warrant for his arrest. She goes, can I ask what for? I was like, it's public record for burglary. She goes, oh my God. And I was like, do you want him trespassed? She said, yes. So you need to have a conversation with your son about not bringing home strange people, especially him not knowing that he's 32. Yeah, So when we went inside and brought him outside, when you came out there, she was looking for the remote and there was a knife in the cushions where he was sitting. He's 32, her son, and brought him home from the park thinking that he was 15.
He's like a sex offender type of thing? Or just a weird?
Just weird. He does have DOC registration papers in his packet, in his paperwork.
He's got like a shifty look, like when I was looking at him.
Oh, I was waiting for him to jump over the second.
So I just told her.
I kept walking and I was like going, he keeps looking over, and I'm like.
To come up with an escape. You guys had him boxed in.
Oh, yeah, no.
And I was thinking, man.
That's why I went out
If
first.
the force is here, I put him on the bottom, landing like on the first floor.
That's why I walked out before, because she said, let's go outside and talk.
Yeah.
So I just bolted out the door so I could stop him from running off.
This is exactly why we talk about it and read off about the officer's safety. I'm
Yep.
like, if he knows he's got that warrant, he's like, I'm not going to prison. The sky's the limit.
So we didn't let him know that he had a warrant. We're just like, hey, we just got
Right.
a concerning call about you that, hey, things aren't right. You were talking to yourself. She went the BA route and he didn't qualify, but he's like, yeah, I struggle with some things.
Right.
So,
How old is
32.
he? He's 32.
Yeah.
He's 32. Her son. They met at the park and said, hey, my friend is homeless. Can he stay on the couch?
Mom was like cool with that?
Yeah.
Well, that house, you can look in the house and mom's.
I think mom's a single mom.
You got all of his property, right?
Yeah, the 2 bags
And the can.
and the can.
That's not mine.
The can's not yours? Oh, okay.
Just watch your step, watch your head going in.
That's the son's.
It's just changed.
Yeah.
I'll drive back over there.
Okay.
Hey, he said that this wasn't his, so I'm assuming this might be your son's. Changing it. It's just changed, like I guess a piggy bank.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
The situation legally escalates to a lawful seizure upon the confirmation of an active felony burglary warrant. Under Utah Strafe 2016, the discovery of a valid, pre-existing, and untainted arrest warrant is critical. It attenuates the connection between any potential Fourth Amendment violation during an initial stop and the subsequent lawful arrest. That law enforcement possesses absolute statutory authority to execute a confirmed warrant in a space where consent to enter was granted. Simultaneously, the homeowner exercises her statutory property rights by requesting a formal criminal trespass warning. Criminal trespass statutes empower property owners to unconditionally withdraw consent for any individual to remain on their premises. Once consent is revoked and communicated, the continued presence constitutes a criminal offense, granting independent probable cause for removal. Tactical and legal lessons learned. First, the application of tactical patience by law enforcement. By maintaining the facade of a consensual caretaking encounter, officers mitigated the risk of a flight or fight response. That's for tactically sound positioning and a zero-force apprehension before the formal execution of the warrant. Second, for property owners, the legal imperative of vetting invitees before granting them access to private residence. Voluntarily granting access waives specific Fourth Amendment privacy expectations and introduces significant legal and physical liabilities.